White sugar and brown sugar. When the sugar is caramel, we put the ground peanut. Ayan. It's ready. We put. So that's now our peanut. Now this is it, and we cut. Just hot, guys. Don't wait to come cold because very hard to cut. It's ready, guys. So hot, a little hot for now. So we need to for not para hindi dikit-dikit. Tingnan. Ang lutong, diba?